Understanding color palette, a guide to colorful expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very vibrant topic in the English language: the phrase, color palette. This term is not only essential for artists but also pops up in everyday conversation, and understanding it can add some color to your language skills. A color palette refers to a range of colors used by an artist or designer to create art, design a room, or even put together a wardrobe. It's like a toolkit of colors that work well together to convey a particular style, emotion, or theme. The term originates from the actual physical palette that painters use to mix their colors. Over time, color palette has evolved to mean any selection of colors an individual might use for a purpose, even if they're not mixing paints. Color palettes can influence how we feel and think. They can be symbolic, such as black and orange representing Halloween, or functional, like using a company's colors to create a brand identity. Understanding color palettes can enhance your ability to describe art, fashion, and design. We often use color palette in metaphors and idioms. For example, if someone has a colorful personality, they might have traits that are as diverse and vibrant as a painter's palette. Or, a muted palette might describe a subdued situation or outfit. And that's a wrap on color palettes. I hope this video has painted a clear picture of how the phrase, color palette, is used in English. It's a term that can bring a splash of color to your conversations and help you appreciate the hues of the world around us. Until next time, keep learning and stay colorful.